Always perform full maintenance after every use to keep your unit running at its best. To quickly empty your unit before full maintenance, use the Quick Pour feature. Hold the unit flat so the Quick Pour door is facing upwards. Then open the door, drain and pour the dirty water out through the door. Once the dirty water is completely drained, close the door. Step 1. Remove the self-wash cup from the caddy. Fill it with clean water to the max fill line. Step 2. Place the cup back into the caddy securely. Step 3. Insert the unit into the cup. Power the unit on and let the machine self-clean for a few seconds until the liquid has settled. Step 4. Remove the unit and power it off. Step 5. Use Quick Pour to empty remaining water from the dirty water tank. Step 1. Clean the tool. Press the release button on the tool to detach it from the tank. Pull the tab to remove the bristles. Press both sides of the tool to detach the window. Rinse the bristles, tool and window underwater. Rinse the crevice tool with clean water and let it air dry. Step 2. Clean the dirty water tank. Press the release button to detach the tank from the handle and keep the handle aside. Press the tabs on both sides of the motor and slide it out of the tank. Wash the tank and motor with warm soapy water. Step 3. Clean the filters. With the tool detached, remove the hair filter from the tank opening. Grip both sides to pull it out. Open the filter, remove hair or debris and rinse thoroughly with running water. Pull the foam filter from the handle. Rinse. Squeeze out excess water and let it air dry before reinstalling. Ensure all filters are dry before reinserting them. Reassemble and store the fully dry unit and accessory tool in the caddy. Place the StainForce and spray bottle into the caddy. Charge your StainForce fully after every use to keep it ready for the next emergency stain. An orange flashing LED on the power button will indicate the machine is charging. When battery is fully charged, the LED will stop flashing and turn solid green. Self-wash is great for light cleanups. Full maintenance is recommended after every cleaning and essential after deep cleans. Refer to the instruction booklet for detailed care.